Hello, welcome to 1329 Highpoint Lane in Northbrook, District 27. I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office, and I'm excited to give you a sneak peek of this new listing. It's close to the Sports Center and Shaboney School and not too far from the train in downtown Northbrook. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, full finished basement, a big fenced yard, all nicely updated for $619,000. So let me take you through. The house has hardwood floors all the way throughout. It's been freshly painted in sterling light Benjamin Moore gray. It has newer windows, new roof. This is a first floor office. It's an immaculate shape. Has been extremely well taken care of by these owners. Highlights of this model, the Cape Cod has 2 first floor bedrooms. This is the master. And a very beautiful updated bathroom with a glass shower, tiled walls, ceramic tile floor, double sink with granite tops, and all nicely done in today's style. On the second floor, 2 bedrooms share this ginormous bathroom that's been updated with Kohler pedestal sinks and the ceramic tile floor. And then we have 2 big bedrooms, plus there is a tandem room that could be a 3rd bedroom or an office or bonus. The spacious basement is finished, so there's plenty of room for recreation space and storage space. Yonder is the utility room with a new furnace. Hot water heater, sump pump with battery backup is here. So we have finished storage and unfinished storage, so plenty of room here. Lots of storage in this great house. It has a coveted first floor laundry room, mud room, and a powder room and off the garage. And it's all move-in ready. So stop on by. We're having a cocktail party today to kick off 2020 and welcome the new listing. So please stop on by. I'd love to show it to you and answer any questions you might have. Shop now. Bye.